Hello curious learner. So today I am back with another fun experiment which is pretty exciting, which is a virtual piano app, and I was able to generate this with using just a single prompt on Google Gemini, and Google Gemini created this in a matter of just a couple of minutes. Like I just typed a prompt and it created this virtual piano in a single prompt, like there was no need for any modifications, and it works really well. As you can see, the keys are working really fine and the sounds are pretty great. So let me just show you the prompt first. So the prompt is pretty simple, which is, can you create a virtual piano app with key sounds having, let's just say, basic 11 to 12 keys, and it generated this app for me. So it has 13 keys with keyboard controls as well as touch controls, visual feedback, then responsive design and sound. So something like this might have taken me at least a week to create. I didn't even knew that tone.js is a CDN library which can be used to create this pretty easily. So let me just show you the code as well. So basically we are using tailwind CSS, then fonts, and then we have a tone.js which is served from Cloudflare. Then in the body we have the keys which are created using CSS. The white key CSS is as such. So we have the text and the black key CSS as well. Then the on active we change the background color a little darker. Then there are key labels, note labels, and then responsive design as well. So on vertical the key sizes reduce a bit, and the piano keys are generated dynamically. So on mouse down we create the tone start and we start the tone, and we have a touch start on which the tone gets start as well. Then we have a simple synth which is using the tone library, and there is some code to generate the sound. These are the piano keys which are getting generated here. Then in the piano container we create each of those key elements, and then we add them to the divs to create the actual keys. And this is the append child which is actually appending the keys. Then on pressing of the keys, the keynote is been pressed, and on release the keynote is been stopped. Then there are basic mouse touch listeners and stuff. So pretty simple code to understand, but pretty larger code to write from yourself from scratch. But luckily it has created this in just a single prompt. As you can see, the code is pretty functional. Let me just play the piano first. So this is the piano app getting rendered, and let me just play a happy birthday piano tone for you all. So as you can see, we can play happy birthday and some pretty basic tones here directly on the piano. There is no need to configure it in any manner, and simple tones are pretty easy to play on this. You can change the tones that you want, you can add additional keys and you can customize this. But for me, creating such app within just 2 minutes which is functional and on which I am able to play a song is pretty great. So yeah, that was a simple short demo on virtual piano. Let me know if you want me to create this as a separate app and host it on front-end vibes. You can create this app directly using Google Gemini, and this just shows how powerful Google Gemini has become in the recent few months and just how easy it is. And I just used the Flash model, not even the Pro model for this, and it generated this in a single go. So this was a simple short demo of virtual piano app. Hope you found this tutorial useful, and for more such tutorials, stay tuned and follow me. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.